How can I add an item to the new context menu? When I right-click anywhere, I get an option to add a new file with a specified extension. I would like to add some custom files into this menu, so I can right-click and create a new PHP file, for instance. How can I do this?
To add extensions of your choice to the list, create a file, add the content below, save it as whatever.reg, and run it. Note: replace PNG with the file extension you want to add and replace whatever with anything you want. Source.
One more thing. If you want to add a file as a template for the new item, use and then place the file, html.html, in. For your own profile, %user profile %\templates. For all users, %users profile %\templates. For the whole system, %system root %shell new. One more detail: if you want to delete the Windows live call entry, use
shell new handler helped me to restore my Windows 7 shell menu is greater than new is greater than text document entry. Uncheck text. Click apply. Check text. Click apply.
Go into Registry Editor and expand key_classes_root. Go to File_extension and create a key called shellNew. Inside that, create a new string key called nullFile with no value. For example, if I wanted to create a new entry for a blank will object, I would create if the file extension such as will does not exist, I would first create a file with that extension and double-click it. Open it with a program of my choice, as this would then create the other needed registry keys and make your job easier.
Flash time.